YouTubers, JDCap26 here, just doing repair and tips, and we've got the Hoover steam vac here. I'm going to show you a brief overview of it. This part comes out here like this, and you want to unscrew this, and you want to pour solution in, okay, into this cup, and pour it in. Put this back in like this. Lock it down, and you fill the water up to here. Warm water, as hot as you can get it. And you stick it back in here. Then the waste disposal's here, down here. Okay? And turn this around here. This is to turn it on. This button right here, down to the foot. This one over here, excuse my body. You press that one down, and that tilts it back like so. I wanted to show you that. That one's to tilt it down, that one's to turn it on. Of course, when you have it plugged in. So I'm going to show you the results of it. This is the living room, and I mean, you can tell clearly that the rug is definitely clean. Okay, let me show you the spots. See the pattern, the gray part here. This is a Scotch brand type of rug, and we did the closet inside here. We usually keep the pet litter box in there. It works out very well for our cats. More of the gray rug. So the Hoover steam vac works very well, and I highly recommend it. That's a pet deep cleaner we use, because we have 2 cats. So please rate and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Ring the little doorbell on the side there for new notifications, and have a great day.